What's up, everybody? It's your boy Shelby, and bruh, finally back. Before I talk about my bike, I talk about this fucking place. This place is awesome. It's actually my second time being here, but it's called the Moto Pound. And this awesome guy, the owner, he owns his property, but he lets people come out and ride. You gotta contact him and stuff like that. But it's pretty cool. It's meant for beginners and kids, but it goes over pretty much all the stuff I need to work on. Has a few jumps and a small whoop section, so I just want to work on my fundamentals today, and this is like the perfect place. And as you can see, nobody's here, dude. We got some wildlife, dude cutting the road, which is awesome. We're just chilling. So yeah, I got a graphics kit installed, and I got my kickstart lever fixed. I had to take it to a mechanic because me didn't want to split the case, so I let him split it. And he had to change that shaft in there to get this bolt out. Holy shit. Hopefully you guys can see it. I tried using it easy out when I broke it out. It didn't work. So he got a brand new thing installed. A new gear. A nice shiny silver part in there. A new kickstart shaft. The new seal behind it. Gaskets for the clutch cover and the inner part, I guess. This bolt, the washer. And yep, he reinstalled it with an oil change and everything. So sweet. It's my first graphics kit. I kind of messed up the install in some spots, but it didn't come out bad at all. I actually like it a lot. You can see I've already dropped the bike a few times, but that's why I got a cheaper graphics kit for my first one, and I figured I was going to fuck them hoes anyway. So yeah, dude, just a quick intro because I haven't rode in so long. I'm excited, but I'm going to take it easy because I hurt my knee like I talked about in my last video. Speaking of which, I'll talk to you guys about that on the warm-up lap when I'm showing you the track. But what knee braces do you guys rock? So I'll catch you in a minute. I'm about to put on my gloves and goggles, and I'll see you on the track. So yeah, when I was out riding, it was right after I installed my graphics. I just had to take it for a quick spin in the field behind the apartment. But I went to turn left, and there was like this lip in the dirt that met this piece of concrete. And when I hit it, it yanked my wheel to the right. So I planted my left foot, and it almost felt like I jammed my finger, but like from my knee. It's like all that pressure into my knee hurt it. So yeah, that's why I was out for so long. But if you guys want to, let me know what kind of knee braces you guys rock or recommend. Not like $1,000 ones. I know they get up there, but a decent one that allows like hyperextension. I've been doing my research, but yeah, let me know what you guys rock. So I'm gonna show you the track here, and I like it a lot. So you got this little really small jump, which I don't really like. It kind of bucks you up, and it's like almost like a transfer to skateboard park. Nice little acceleration part. A left turn into an S turn, which I really do like. Yeah, so this is one of my favorites. This place. I've only been here once. This is my second time, like I said. Last time I came with the homie Bray on this KTM. 3 rollers, which I do like. Another tabletop. There was a prairie dog hole right here on this turn, so I'm glad they removed it. Sorry for the little guys, but this is the whoop section, which I'm not ready for. You gotta understand technique on that. My technique sucks on that, and you gotta work on. These are really steep. They're almost like transfers for real. So I just roll over them. I forgot about these guys. That thing really bucks you. I don't know if it's supposed to be a double or not, but woo! Slippery out. It's kind of dry. Colorado's normal. And I got to work on braking with my rear brake standing up. I think my lever might be too low. This corner is a little bit trickier than it looks because it doesn't really, it's more of a flat ground turn. It doesn't really have a berm there. It's kind of deceptive. But yeah, that's the Trizac, dude. It's nice. So I'm gonna warm up a bit and might have some clips of that, but I'll catch you guys when I'm a little more acclimated. Put some air in the front tire. It was on 8, so yeah, I was getting low. Still feels slippery, so it's probably just the dirt as it gets drier. I think it rained a day and a half ago, so it's gonna continue to get drier and drier. I raised my rear brake a little bit more, another 3 turns, so front feels way grippier now. Much more reactive, dude. It's awesome. Rear brakes way. Maybe I need to go down like 1.5. Like a fourth into a second unless I'm gonna send it, then third. Right. wicked. Oh my God. Oh. Definitely getting tired.